In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your microphone is not working on PS4, but you're still getting sound through your headset or TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings, and then scroll down and select Devices, and we're going to go to Audio Devices. Now, if you're using a TV under Output Device, that's great. I'm assuming most people are using a headset with a mic. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the headset jack is fully plugged into your controller. You'll know you haven't done it right, or that your headset or controller is broken, if it doesn't automatically switch the input device to headset connected to controller. Now, once you've done that for the output device, if you're using a headset, select that. If you're using a TV, leave it on there. I'm going to go to headset though. And then once you're back here, you want to adjust the microphone level. Now, you may notice that you're talking and the input volume isn't appearing at all. So the first thing you want to do is have a look on your headset if you're using one. And if there's a mute toggle, make sure that it's not turned on. Now you'll notice mine immediately started working. It may still not work for you. And the next thing you want to do is press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller and go to Sound and Devices. And you want to ensure that if these are checkmarked on, that you've unchecked marked them, or else your microphone's not going to work. Then what you want to do is come back here and adjust the microphone level so you're not too high. And once you've done that, you can save it. And make sure your volume control's turned up. Same thing on your actual headset if you have a volume dial. And for output to headphones, we're going to leave it on all audio. And I recommend you turn on switch output device automatically. Now, if it's still not working after everything you've done, try adjusting the in-game settings of the game you're playing. It's going to vary based on what you're playing. And if none of that works, it could be your actual controller's broken or your headset's broken, so I'd try swapping those out. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.